Do you need to work on documents as a team or perhaps get feedback from multiple clients? Managing collaboration by emailing documents around can be a bit of a nightmare. It's so easy to lose track of the latest version of a document or miss important feedback that gets lost in your inbox. Plus, comparing document versions to process changes and responding to feedback email by email can be very time-consuming. If this is sounding familiar to you, you may want to explore digital tools to support your workflow management. There are a number of tools out there and they all have similar basic features. They provide a secure central storage point for a file, so everyone working on it accesses the same version. There is only ever one version and changes to it are often recorded in a history, so that at any point you can see what changes have been made and roll back to the previous version if you wish. Usually the storage point is cloud-based, so files can be accessed from anywhere via an internet browser. They allow you to share the file location with selected collaborators and define the level of access they have to the file, whether they can just view it or whether they can edit it, for example. They have a commenting function which allows collaborators to make suggestions or express a preference or ask questions. The tool shows you who has made the comments and usually gives you the option to accept or reject the changes and respond to the commenters if you wish. They also allow collaborators to tag people within their comments if they want to direct information to particular individuals, whether in your company or external to it. The tool will usually alert the tagged person when this happens by automatically sending them an email or message to keep the review process moving steadily and smoothly. Google Workspace is an example of this type of tool. It allows you to share documents, spreadsheets, slides, forms, and more from the standard suite of Google products and connect to selected applications from other providers. Google Workspace integrates well with Microsoft Office products. So if you create a document on your computer in Word and want to share it with others in Google Workspace, it will automatically convert to a Google Doc and then back to a Word document when you save it to your computer again. Dropbox is another example. It allows you to share and collaborate on a variety of file types. It doesn't have its own suite of file creation applications like Google Workspace, but it does have features which allow you to preview and comment on different file types without downloading additional software. For example, you can comment on a PDF without having Adobe Acrobat, or you can comment on a video or an audio file. It can also be connected to other products like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office to enhance integration. It's helpful for collaborating on large files which often get stuck if sent by email and quickly overload your inbox. Confluence is another example. Confluence creates a completely self-contained shared workspace. It's a bit like having all your company's work on a private website with everything created as web pages rather than documents or spreadsheets or slides created in separate programs. It provides over 70 templates to give you a head start on different tasks and can easily insert dynamic content like videos. You can narrow down the people that can access a page if you wish and lock a page once collaboration is complete and the content has been finalized. Some of these tools have inbuilt project management applications or can integrate with them to track progress on multiple projects at once. Another potentially useful integration would be to link to a feed approved content automatically into your social media content management system. Using tools like these to automate your workflow management will streamline any content creation and approval processes. They make file sharing, communication, and collaboration much easier, saving you time, reducing errors, and also protecting your data through their security. They also scale up easily, so as your productivity increases and your business grows, they will help keep up without you having to invest in extra IT infrastructure. So get going and growing with automated workflow management.